Welcome back. This is Bill, and you're watching Crash Course Travel. In this episode, we continue exploring Vietnam, and I keep making new friends. Definitely some interesting characters. By land and sea. That's all I'm saying. Yeah.
You want me to get a shot of you?
I would love a shot. You want to take a shot?
Yes, I will. Wait till they move. Let's get you right in front of the heart.
What's up? What's up?
How's it going? They're gonna steal your shot. There you go. I like this. I like this at the heart. Yeah.
The cool guys.
There we go.
Help me out. I'll take every bit of it I can get.
Look at that view. When I see something like this, I think a couple things. One, what a wonderful day to be alive. And two, I need to find a hiking buddy for while I'm over here in Southeast Asia, because the only view that would be better than this view right here is to climb upside that mountain and be looking down upon this lake. Definitely gonna have to find a way to go do some day hikes.
Hey, butterfly.
I'll do this. I'll be like, I'm Bill, and you're watching Crash Course Travel. This is Allie from Grounded Life. Thanks for stopping by, Allie.
Thanks. Is that my cue to leave?
Are you kidding me? I'm hanging out with Allie, so you know what that means. You should be hanging out with me as well. You know, I recently started remembering something. I don't just like people. I love people. I love connecting with new people. But somehow, with the daily grind, I had gotten away from that. I'm going to focus on that going forward and really try to connect with the people around me, live in the present, and definitely for the moment. I think we're headed to the temple area here. I'm following some others in my travel group. We'll see here. Beautiful little area there. Here, we'll let you take a look at the sign real quick. Don't say we weren't educational at some point. We were. Dad jokes aside, I gotta be honest here. I'm still new to this YouTube thing, and I'm still finding my voice. My intention was never to be a tour guide. And this showing you all these places that I'm going isn't some kind of weird flex. So let's just start with a basic introduction where you know where I'm coming from. My name's Bill. I'm 52, and I'm a retired programmer. About 7 years ago, I went through a divorce, and yet just another midlife crisis amongst a string of many. This time was a little bit different though, because my kids were all getting grown, and I was about to go from being in a house full of people to all by myself. It was a scary proposition. And honestly, at first I felt like I'd lost everything. But the more I looked at the situation, I realized I was given a clean slate. I could start over. And I was able to ask myself, what is it that I really want to do with the rest of my life? For me, this was travel. And I knew time, it might be limited. We really don't know how much we're given. One of my grandfathers only lived to be 47 years old. For all I knew, I was already on borrowed time. So I started saving and planning to go on this amazing adventure. Maybe for you it's something entirely different. Maybe you want to go on a through hike, buy an RV and explore your country. Or maybe you romanticize about getting a sailboat and exploring the world. I know I used to have this dream and I don't even know how to sail. If that's you, I want to be there for you. Because I can tell you, as a dreamer, there's tough days ahead. When you dream big, no one tells you, hey, that's a great idea. You should go do that. You should definitely go do that. Instead, friends, family, coworkers, they're all going to tell you, get your backside back in line. You're going to hear your dream isn't practical. The world isn't safe, and maybe that's for some people, but not for you. People are going to tell you all of the downsides. So let me show you the reasons why it's going to be worth it. Allow me to share with you how I wake up every day and I pinch myself. I really do. Or how I get choked up just saying the words, I'm the travel blogger now. So I'm not a tour guide, and I'm certainly not an accomplished world traveler with all the answers. I'm just a regular guy who started as a novice international traveler a few months ago, trying to document the mistakes I make, the challenges I face, the things I feel, and what I learn about myself along the way. Maybe, just maybe, I can find the courage to make this channel about a little more than the travel itself.
There we go. Say hi. You know I need you to say hi.
Looking for inspiration? Look no further. Linnell and Cherie are out there living their best lives. Linnell lives on a cruise ship, for crying out loud. Traditional? No. Life worth living? You betcha. She's gonna have stories to tell for the rest of her life. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.